here with Auntie Jo Sews. So today I'm going to show you my newest junk journal. It's a little golden book junk journal. It's Winnie the Pooh, the sweetest Christmas. And I did a little differently this time. As you know, I like to make all of my books a little different from the one before it. So I'll show you what I did. So basically 3 rings or 3 ribbons of different colors on the rings. We got red, red and gold and green, and then gold. Try and keep a nice little uniformity there. And then what I did differently with this book is, you'll see in a second, no one signed it, so it's open. And you know, with all of my little golden books, the first page is always the first page of the book, and then the story just continues throughout the book, so we don't ever alter the pages or do anything crazy with the pages. We keep the story intact, so you can read it if you want to. So this one we have second page of the book, and then a 3 pocket page with double-sided paper. And then we've got the cards by Stacy, which is Craftaholic Mama, which I just love. I've given these out to so many family and friends already. Kind of crazy. I've given out probably a dozen or so. Another card, Be Merry. These are 3D. She makes them all herself. So they're all blank on the inside. And then what I've done for this journal is, you can see, so all the pages are going to be uniform and have and fulfill a pattern. So if you can see that there, I'm going to try and get it. So there we go. So we got the first journal page, and it's got ribbon on it. And then we go, come on, Joe, my fingers aren't working today. Then we got a page of the book here. Ooh, my little cord's in the way. Hang on, it's distracting me. Doesn't take much, you know, squirrel. Next page of the book here. We've got another ribbon on the journal page, and then we've got a piece of scrapbook paper that goes along nicely, and you could see how it becomes part of the book. So then we've got, and it's going to be glitter, so I'm going to warn you now, it's an overload of glitter on this book. So we've got a little pocket with just some scrapbook pages there. Another page of the book. Then we get into the little quarter sheets I like to use, and then a cardstock paper, and then this is going to be another sheet, and what it is you see how it stays together. It's going to be a junk journaling page, and then you're going to take out the card. This one says Happy Holidays, and it's a pocket. So, but I like the way, if you see the way when you open it up, I just think it gives it a little bit of more character, a little more fun type thing. Another page of the book. And then this one has ribbon, and then also that's got the green back, and then right behind, so you can see that. There we go. So there's green, which is a scrapbook paper, and we take that off. See how it fits nicely and not just a plain white back. And here's another pocket. I love this cardinal ribbon. I got it at Michael's. It was adorable. Another page of the book. And then another one of the quarter sheets, and then as you can see, a quarter sheet, a scrapbook sheet, and then we've got another ribbon lined journal page that goes well with a pattern. I just really like how this turned out. I'm thinking this might be one of the things that I keep doing every other book or so. We've got same thing again. We've got a half sheet here, maybe a little cool, maybe 2/3 of a sheet there. Then we've got the cardstock, and behind the cardstock we've got the gold junk journal page. Another page of the book. And then again, we've got a scrapbook sheet, and then a journal page with ribbon. Another page of the book. Then we've got another setup here where we've got the little sheet, scrapbook sheet, and then a sheet that is actually a little pocket here. Another page of the book. This one I got this one I didn't know what to do, so I kind of just put a scrapbook sheet in, and then another double or triple pocket, and then this another cute 3D card. There. Should be another card on the back. Yep, this one's really cute. Hello Winter. There's so many levels on this card. It's just great. Love that. I'll tuck that in nicely there. Then we've got another card, another cat pocket. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Adorable. I thought it fit in super nice. Another page of the book. And then again, we've got the scrapbook paper backing up to a journal sheet lined with a ribbon. It just really gives a nice effect. I'm also going to include a little bag of ephemera, probably be Echo Park. So that'll be some tags and stuff you could put in throughout. But I just wanted this one to be just pages, just the layout and the different layers to see how it would look. So, but I will be including a packet of the Echo Park paper. And we got another cardstock paper, and then another pocketed journal paper. I think we're coming up to the end of the book. Yep, the last page of the book there. Back of the book. And then again, we've got the cute little ribbons. And that's my latest junk journal. Little Pooh, the Sweetest Christmas, Little Golden Book. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. And as always, happy crafting.